In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Notion. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen and have everything connected by the end. Start by opening Notion and heading to your main home area. This is usually the first page you see when you log in, and it's where you can access your workspace, pages, and settings. Once you're on the home view, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, this might appear as Settings and Members or something similar, usually in the left-hand sidebar or under your workspace name. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a panel where you can manage everything about your workspace, from members to security to integrations. Inside the Settings panel, find the section labeled Connections. This is where Notion lets you link up with other tools and services, like Slack. Click on Connections to open that view. You should now see a list of your existing connections, if you have any, along with options to discover new ones. From here, look for a link or button that says Browse Connections in Gallery. This opens Notion's integration gallery in a new window or tab. Click that option. The gallery is essentially a catalog of apps that can plug into your Notion workspace to extend what it can do. Once the gallery is open, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into the search bar and type in the name of the integration you're looking for. In this case, just start typing until you see the relevant result appear in the list below. This helps you quickly filter through all the available integrations. When you see the correct integration appear in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will give you an overview of what the integration does and what permissions it needs. Take a moment to skim this so you understand how it will interact with your workspace. On that page, click the Add to Notion button. After you do this, you'll be redirected back to Notion, and you should see the Connections page again, now focused on this specific integration. Look for the Slack option, and click the Connect button for Slack. From here, you may be asked to sign into Slack and approve the connection. Once you confirm those permissions, your Slack workspace will be successfully integrated with Notion, and you're ready to start using them together.